What's up, guys? So I promised you I'd put out a video today. I just want to make this very clear. This is like the very beginning of me learning about AEM. Okay, at this point I know 3% of everything that AEM can do. I'll jump in every now and then and explain some stuff that was going on, but I'm trying to put out a video explaining everything step by step and walk you guys through it better. But right now I'm still learning. I promised you I'd put out a video today, so here's the steepest learning curve of trying to learn how to tune probably ever, but here we go. What's up, guys? Back out here. I think this is a new video. I've been screwing around for 2 days pretty much trying to learn how to do maps. So I've been screwing around just trying to make up my own maps. Right here I just call this one dumb. This is the one my buddy made, so when I'm dumb I can go back to it and at least start from there. So I started from this map. This is his map that he has. Now you see how this fuel is just all the way stretched out? I made this map and just tried to clean that fuel map up a little bit. These were all over the place. I think I'm learning how to do this. So I'm gonna plug this in and I'm gonna make sure all these sensors are plugged in. I didn't do that. You gotta go in and make sure all these sensors line up with the part number. Manifold pressure map. So let's see, 30, 21, 30, 50, that's matched. See if she runs. Okay, she's really rich. So I kind of understand what I need to do. I need to bring the whole map down. $14.9 on the computer. Now look, you can see right there. Yeah, that's fuel. I started out way too rich. The map I made. Alright, I'm just gonna jump in here real quick. I didn't know this at the time of this video that you're watching right now. There's a whole start map area on the AEM ECU. So you can set up your whole start sequence for temperature of the motor. You can have it deliver let's just say 50% more fuel at -4 degrees, and it kind of tapers down to the temperature until you get to 170, and then it's flat. It's 0% except for your map. So that's why I was running really rich. I had to adjust that start table because that start table comes factory at 50% more fuel up to 60 degrees. So if the car is below 60 degrees, it'll add 50% more fuel. And I had to bring the whole table down. I don't know how much sense that made. I'll do a better job explaining it in the next video, I promise. At least it's running. I'm learning, obviously. I made my own map and it's running. So I'm sure a lot of you guys aren't that impressed by it, but I am. It still dies as soon as you touch the throttle. I don't know if I gotta do something with ignition for that. Okay, again, right here too, there's a whole table for idle. So you have to set the idle. The car thinks I'm putting 5% throttle in right now. You have to set idle and throttle, and it had no idea where anything was. So every time you touch the throttle, it thinks you're giving it more 15% when you're only giving it 3, and it kind of just died on its face. But that's all fixed now. Again, I'll explain more of it in the next video. There's a little square that comes up. I don't know if you guys can see this on camera or not, but when I hit the gas, and right there you can see it dives up. So I got it now. I'm just adjusting these numbers one at a time. I don't even know if you guys can see these numbers, but before it was 2.2 and then jumped up to 2.6, so it probably died on its face. It just got drowned in fuel. So I'm kind of just trying to smooth this out. This is why I go lean, because all this right here. There we go. I got some of the rev now. I'm learning this. So I don't know if you guys can see, but it kind of just makes these lines, like it's not a straight line. So like over here's my idle, but as it comes back down, it's over here, and those numbers were way high, so it just completely ridged out, but up here was lower, so it leaned out. I don't know how else to do this, besides like doing one spot at a time. I'm still gonna have like a real tuner go over this, but I'm getting better. I got it sitting at like 14, 14.7, 14.5. It's going back and forth still. I don't like that it keeps changing on me. Again, here real quick, it's doing that because of that startup table that I didn't know about yet at this point in this video that you're watching. Like I said, it's at a slope. So the car is giving itself, I don't know exactly what it's doing right now, but it's probably giving itself like 20% more fuel until the car hits 175 operating temperature. So I'm sitting here, I'm trying to pull fuel out to make it leaner, and then once it warms up, it starts getting lean because it's not getting that 20% more. So I'm pulling fuel out of this thing right now, trying to make it perfect for no reason. It probably would have just ended up making itself perfect. There we go. I'm getting better. I'm getting better. Just seeing that the line went over that way. And that was only at 3. The next one's 4, so I went to 3.6. I'm getting better at this, but I gotta turn it off. You can come up here to Wizard. Alright, for some reason I didn't explain what I was doing here. You also have to set timing in the AEM. So like you'll set the AEM to 15 degrees. You'll lock it on the AEM, and then you'll set your car to 15 degrees so the AEM and the car are the same. So when the AEM sees, 10 degrees, the car's at 10 degrees. When it sees 20 degrees, the car's at 20 degrees. Hopefully that makes sense. Go to this, and then you can lock timing at 15 degrees. Then start the car and adjust the timing on the car. Because this ECU isn't like the old one. It doesn't like change it with like the pill and all that stuff. I hope I'm explaining this good. I'm trying. It's kind of been a pain, and I haven't been recording too much. There'd be like 9 hours of footage if I recorded me trying to learn all this. So we're gonna start it up and put a timing light on it. All right, boys. I'm gonna start my own tuning company. I barely got this thing to idle, and I think I'm a pro now, so we're good to go. I'm so excited that I figured somewhat of this out. I haven't had it on the street yet, so I haven't done anything with any sort of load. So I don't know how that's gonna react. But I got timing. It's good, it's right around 15. The computer's right around 15, everything matches. It's not running rich, it's not running lean, it's not smoking at all. Dude, this is sick as f***. Alright boys, that's gonna be the end of this video. I will see you in the next one. Hopefully it's on the dyno. I've said that now the past 2 videos, so don't hold me to it, but at least it's running, and it's running good again.